Hello Buccaneers, we are at 4 Points by Sheraton and we're going to show you the fun things you can do in Yuma, Arizona. Our first stop is Colorado River State Historic Park and we'll be doing the Junior Ranger program. Now we're going to go on a tour. We're here at the storehouse, and in the 1800s, steamboats that were on the Colorado River just a few feet away, they used this as a storage area. Then in 1904, this was used as a project office for their irrigation project. They put a bunch of dams on this wall, so we've been to Hoover Dam and Glen Canyon Dam, which is in northern Arizona. The other ones I haven't heard of. Now we're entering the quartermaster's office. This is a model of what the place used to look like. This is a map of military supply routes. So the Colorado River route is here and the overland routes are solid green. This is the Colorado River. Oh, we're here. And for the overland routes, they kind of closely follow the rivers.
I only have to do 2 activities since I'm 6 to 9, but I'm doing more activities just for fun.
This is the officers' quarters. This is the child's bedroom. That's a small bed. They didn't have a bathroom in this house, so they used that bucket to pee.
Oh, okay, I'm going.
Creepy doll. This is the dining room. Their supper consisted of cold ham, chicken, biscuit, wine, sweet milk, and other stuff. This is the garden.
ABC, always be Cuban.
This is the kitchen and the servants' quarters. I guess they had a lot of cooking equipment, including mess kits deep enough to cook rations for 50 men. The kitchen is not adjacent to the house because they were worried of fire. So if this caught on fire, at least our house is safe. This is the Corral House and Bureau of Reclamation. So this was the headquarters for the Yuma project, which was a major irrigation project. I'm so familiar with this entire area because we've done a lot here. So this is Vegas, this is Hoover Dam, and right now we're in Yuma. We're going to drive home on the 8th Freeway. These are all the dams along the Colorado River. So Hoover Dam has been there.
Hoover Dam. We did.
And wow, there's so many dams near Yuma.
As an Arizona State.
As an Arizona State
Parks Junior Ranger.
Parks Junior Ranger.
There's your pen, okay?
And that's it for the Colorado River State Park.
My favorite part was the Junior Ranger because some parts of it were easy, some were hard.
I liked going into the historic buildings, and also the guided tour provided a lot of cool information about irrigation and the Colorado River. On to the next stop. It's time for dessert at La Michoacana Plus.
This is a Mexican sweet shop with over 100 flavors.
I'm going to sample the fresca con leche, which is strawberry milk. This is an esquite, and it's kind of like an elote. This is more of a meal. Oh, that's good. It's full of corn down there. The difference between these two is this is just more of an elote, and this is the same thing, but with hot Cheetos and other stuff on top.
I'm gonna try the mango nata. I've been told that's a bit spicy. It has mango, ice cream, and a lot of spicy stuff. It's very mango-y. I don't know if there's mango bits inside. I can taste a little kick, but it's not that spicy. I think anyone can handle it. Now I'm gonna have the mango ice cream. This is only 1 scoop, but it's huge. That's very mango.
Since the fresca con leche was really good, I got a cup of it, and I'm going to try it. I'm going to... There we go. Whoa. Whoops. There's strawberry bits in here, the ice is crushed, and there's not too much ice, so you get a lot of drink. This is the most refreshing thing ever. At first I thought this was just a dessert place, but they actually have snacks that you could eat as meals. This is a chicharrón preparado. I hope I said that correctly. Oh, that's so crispy. It's like a crunchy tortilla chip that looks like, that has this texture.
It looks like one nacho chip that got like 40 times bigger.
This is like eating one giant chip, as brother said. And there's so many things here. Is this like hot sauce? Some sort of sauce? Lettuce, tomato, cheese, avocado. This is huge. And that is La Michoacana Plus. The name says that it's an ice cream parlor, but this is much more than that. You can get drinks, ice cream, popsicles, and all these snacks that can basically serve as meals. This is my first time eating Mexican dessert, and it was good. And I can tell this place is really authentic.
My favorite thing here was the mango nata because it was really unique, and also I love mango.
I think they have multiple locations, and I recommend you check one of them out. On to the next stop. Our final stop is Z Fun Factory. First, we're going to play at the batting cage. I think the go-karts is pretty safe unless you're riding along with crazy people, and that's what happened to me. So I got rear-ended by some stupid people, and now my head hurts.
There are 2 mini golf courses. This one's the easy one, but the other one is the hard one, and that's the one that we're going to. Brother isn't here since he isn't feeling too well. Where's it one? Oh. This hole number 4, we have to hit the ball inside the mission, and I think it comes out right there. Hole 2! Yeah! Good, it didn't go in the river. I would be so... Oh. Oh! Ah! Hole number 16 is a western town, and up above, they have a Yuma sign. We're gonna play some arcade games. We're gonna go to skee ball first. Another 20. I keep getting 20. I had so much fun at Z Fun Factory. It was my first time trying the batting cage, the go-karts, even though brother got bumped by someone. it was still really fun. I would try it again. The mini golf was also pretty cool, and also the arcade was pretty fun. I finally learned how to do skee ball. Back then, I would just score 0 points each time.
And that is our day at Yuma. I'm still a Y because Y-U-M-A. My favorite part was going to the state parks and seeing the Colorado River in California so close.
My favorite part was the Z-Fun Factory because there are a lot of different courses and a lot of things to do there.
We're recording this outro the next day, and just to let you know, my head is much better. That's it. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, we're done.